So then guys, just recently I've had a lot of fun with this. This is the new Panox V2 360 camera. And I've had lots of fun recording at the 5.7K and 30 frames per second and being able to control exactly where I want to record. But we'll talk a little bit more about that later on. But first of all, I want to show you an unboxing of this camera. So as you can see, the box was quite small and everything, and if we open it up inside of it, we actually had the camera, and there were some accessories like sort of a glove sort of thing you can put into a pouch, which was really useful, USB-C cable to charge it up and everything, and generally it was quite easy to unbox and simple to get started with. Once the unboxing was all done, I decided to take this camera outside to actually see how good it really was. And there's lots of features we can do on it, like time-lapse videos, and also we can do 12K photos, up to 72 megapixels to give that sort of lifelike images. We can do 360 recording at 5.7K, 30 frames per second, what I'll talk about a little bit more in a second. And then also we can do other great things, like hooking this up directly to YouTube and doing a live video from this, what is absolutely amazing to have that feature. Also with Google Street View, we can upload videos and pictures up to Google Maps, and then obviously you could do a full 360 rotation and see what you've recorded, what's absolutely amazing too. As you can see right here, we do also have a 3-inch display, which is really easy to use, and you can use your finger to move yourself around on it and get different angles as you're recording, what's really useful. And what actually happens is you've actually got the recordings from both of the sensors on the cameras here. We've actually got 1/2 inch sensor here and 1/2 inch sensor there, and as you can see here, even if as I turn the camera round, you still get like a full clear picture. You don't even see the camera on it. It's absolutely spotless. Let me show you some of the footage I actually recorded on this camera, and in fact this is actually HDR 360 live footage too, so check it out here. So then, this is a sample then of the 360 camera that we are seeing right here. And as you can see, I can rotate the camera around in any way that I want it to see how it's all recording. And you can see how seamless everything is. My finger's actually just touching the screen there. And you can't really see the device either. If you look down here, you can't really see that at all. It's making it completely invisible. So it's really good to get that kind of quality on here, that we can look at every single angle. Well, it's absolutely fantastic. There is a bit of wind noise as well today, what you can actually hear here, so it is picking up a bit of that too, but generally speaking, it is a fantastic camera, this 360 Panox V2. Like I did say, you could actually upload your footage all the way up to, say, social media like YouTube and other things too. And the main reason is it's actually got Android 10 built into this actual device, what is pretty awesome. There's even an app too where you can actually do live remote control of your camera, and you can do all the different sort of settings and everything like that. And you can even download your video footage onto your phone, and then using with keyframe, you can actually edit and free up your video. You can get different angles any way you wanted it in the way how you recorded 360 video and get it absolutely perfect, what is awesome. As you can see right here, I'm streaming directly from the camera. So there I am. You can see me waving there, and it's actually here live on the actual mobile. So it's really awesome that you have that ability to do that. I love that. You can operate the camera, leave it on a tripod, and then sort of do all your bits and pieces on your phone on the distance away from the actual camera, and you don't just have to hold it all the time in your hand. You have that remote access, what I absolutely love. Also on the Panox V2, you can also take pictures in HDR, and also you can change the resolution to be 12K or 5.7K. Having a 12K photo is absolutely amazing, as one as I took here out in the forest, and you can see, look how clear it is here as I just pan around here on the actual screen. It is absolutely amazing. Overall, I am super happy with the Panox V2. It's definitely one of the best 360 cameras that I've used out there. And I love the ability, like with Street View and things like this, you can upload that directly. Also doing the YouTube live stream, doing a 360 like that. All these sort of extra features to make it a bit more extra special. And if you want to check out the Panox V2, you can look at it right now. I've actually got a link in the description of my video right here. So do check that in the description right now to check out the Panox V2, because it's absolutely incredible. incredible. And on that note too, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. Also, if you want to hear the latest technology news, reviews and comparisons, please also make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.